Forsake. I never forsake my old friends. I am forsaking city life for the countryside. I have forsaken my bad habits at last. I have been forsaking comfort to reach my goal. I forsook my career to raise a family. I was forsaking old routines when I met her. I had forsaken all hope before the good news came. I had been forsaking sleep for weeks before the deadline. I will never forsake my principles. I will be forsaking meat for a whole month. By spring, I will have forsaken every excuse. By then, I will have been forsaking luxuries for a year.